What's up, guys? Welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt, and today we're looking at the Hotdogger. Now, the Hotdogger is a very simple invention. It's just a plastic drill for buns. Now, you don't want to use like typical buns. You don't want to use like, the kind that are already cut. You want to use something like this. When you make a hot dog, you put condiments on it. They fall off the side or take a bite of it and it squishes out and it falls over. I'm guessing the invention of this came from that idea of trying to fix the whole, spilling and all that. Here, you know what? I'm gonna get these hot dogs started. There we go. Oops, there we go. Oh, by the way, this is a hot dog. It's a special hot dog toaster. It's pretty awesome. I'll leave a link down below where you can find the video. You can see it's designed with some pretty crazy rigid edges, and you use it to just drill a hole. You shove it in and you just turn it. Yeah, there we go. All right. The size of this is actually really good for like brats or sausages. There we go. Got a couple holes straight in there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get a little bit of mustard. There we go. Now, the idea here is that you can like pretty much pack this full of all kinds of stuff. I mean, whatever your favorite toppings on a hot dog is. Yeah, they came out pretty nice. All right, here we go. So you take it, you just shove it in. The hole is a little tight, so I guess if you work at it a little bit more, make the hole a little bit bigger, you can put a bigger sausage in there. But overall, I mean, it works. I got a hole in the bun. Shove it in there. Now, I didn't heat these buns up, so they're cold. So that's why they're it's a little stiff. You know what? I'm gonna grab a knife. Here. We never use this one. I'll just use this one. Cut this in half. No, I'll do half. Oh yeah, look at that. An even amount of ketchup. Nice little even amount of mustard. Did a pretty good job. Let's go all the way down to the middle. Let's do a cross section long ways actually. See how well this did. Oh, cool. Yeah, look at that. Even all the way through. For practical use, it's not the most practical out there, but I will say, pretty easy to use. It did the job. And I got a hot dog that I'm not gonna have to worry about dripping on me. You don't have to worry about eating it all sideways like a taco or a hot dog. You know what I'm saying? Say you're gonna do chili or something. Really bore the hole out really good, fill it with chili, stuff that wiener in there. And now this is just a hollow, cheap plastic. It's probably gonna last forever. $10 to make a hole in a piece of bread. I don't know. Yeah. I mean, tastes like a hot dog. Why not? If you're looking for a fun way to eat hot dogs, maybe with your kids or something like that, it's kind of fun, drilling a hole through bread, or just as a convenience matter. I mean, imagine just grabbing a hot dog like that and being able to eat it without making any kind of mess. It serves a purpose. It serves a purpose. It's probably something that I'm not gonna use very often, but it does work. If anything, it's a kolache maker. You could make a kolache, like a homemade kolache using these buns, shove a bunch of like scrambled eggs in there with some cheese, throw some sausages in there, some breakfast sausages. Mwah! I might actually do that because I just thought of it and that sounds like a delicious idea. Love me some kolaches. So there we go. I mean, 10 bucks. Bam, make yourself a holy hot dog. Anyway, guys, that is it. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description below as usual. I leave it in your hands, but as for now, get out of here. Eat the rest. Take another bite of this hot dog. There's too much bread though. I gotta heat up the bread. You gotta soften the bread. I spilt my last Red Bull. Okay, get out of here. I'm done.